Good day everyone! I'm here again to cook for you. Today, I gonna prepare all these vegetables without meat. No meat for today. So, look at this. We have a fresh celery. I just want to use one stalk of celery. I don't know how to say this one is stalk or whatsoever. And I've got a fresh beans. Fresh beans is a good one. We have to cook it. And this is I forget. This I know how to call mung bean sprout. Yeah, and some onion and red bell pepper. So that's all what we have to prepare today. So first we have to clean and remove some string. You know, there is celery, there is a hidden string, but when it's fresh and baby is still young, they have no. So look at this. This is the string which I told you. Fresh beans. Fresh beans is a very good one. So I mean, it depends how you cook it. Not just only boiling with water, but I have to fry it too. It's you know, the more you eat vegetable, the more you eat healthy foods, but sometimes we need also a meat. Okay, then this mung bean sprout, it's very fresh, so I have to wash it first before cut it. If you used to eat vegetable, you always want to eat with this kind of vegetable, or you have to wrap up somewhere. But so this is very easy, and I have to wash this one. Actually, this one you can eat also into a fresh. Also celery, you can eat fresh. I mean, you make like a juice, or so I just cut kind of this. You can just prepare very easy and very fast. Too hard. But if you just cut into half, and this fresh beans, it's very fresh beans. You have to prepare the fresh one, which is very easy and very simple. So I will teach you how to do it. And so look at this. It's done, and I have to prepare a little bit, not too much, and remove some, and just cut again. That's all. And we have to cut some of the onion. Okay, you see, and just help your fingers to separate it. Okay, and so look at this, just so easy, very simple. Okay, and let me check my garlic. I have so much garlic here and some of my noodles there, so I won't show you. Now, so easy, just tap into your hands and cut it. Okay, now it's ready for cooking. I told you, so easy to prepare. So I have to fry up this. And just wait your garlic till turn into transparent. Okay, don't let your garlic get burned. Okay, then so easy, I told you. This vegetable we have prepared, then you have to put it in all. Okay, and stir it. Slowly. Okay, and pinch of salt or two, little bit. Herbs, I have my black pepper, so you have to, and basil. Okay, now you can smell the good fragrance, then just mix it. If you want to use them, I have my chicken, a little bit chicken powder, and just, but if you don't want it, never mind, just use it like this. And I have to wash it again to make sure. So let that cooking. Okay, so we make a very, okay, and actually this one is clean. It's growing also into water, and drain it. Okay, now you put aside and pour this so I have to mix it. Look at this. We have a very fresh and yummy vegetable. But if you want to put some meat, you can do it. Minced meat or sliced meat, whatsoever, or chicken meat. And I have my chicken meat ready. So I have to, and I remove already the bone. So I just have to cut into a small size. Okay. Then mix it. Okay. Add a little bit more black pepper if you want to. And I have my soy. You can mix it a little bit at the side. Just a little bit. And you have to pull the heat so that it will not, your vegetable is still remain crunchy. So look at this. Now they smell good. The fragrance is so good. So when you want your bean sprout remain crunchy, just make it hot cook. So for me, it's just enough. Now I'm gonna serve you with my yummy vegetable. So look at this, so yummy. So this is now our vegetables with yummy. And thanks for watching. Hope you like it and see you again next video. So easy and so simple. Try this. Bye.